Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a recipe that is made up of leftover rice. Yes, you have heard that right. It's not just a normal recipe. I'm going to give you guys a recipe that is crispy, a tea time snack, and I have given it the name rice vada. So when I say vada, you guys might be thinking you'll have to soak the dals overnight, you'll have to ferment the batter, and it's going to be a time-consuming process. No, it is not. It's an instant vada that you can make out of your everyday ingredients. So before we get started, I just want you guys to please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't, so that you don't miss out on my contents. So I would usually post a variety of contents that is based out of food and travel. So please do subscribe and let's get started. this is the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys have really enjoyed the recipe. If you have, please do share it across with your friends. And I just want to take a moment and thank my mother-in-law for this, because she is a powerhouse of new recipes and she loves cooking. And you might get to see a lot of such recipes in the future as well. So don't forget to subscribe, guys. If you have really enjoyed the recipe, please don't forget to like and comment. And if you have really liked it, please do try this at home and let me know how it went in the comments below. Thank you so much. It's Sai signing off. Until next time. Bye bye.